So children, as we were discussing about the topic AIDS in previous video, so here you can see in the first line it is written the full form of the disease acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. As I told you that it is not a congenital disease, that means not present by birth, rather it is acquired during lifetime, and in this disease the deficiency of immunity takes place and syndrome means the group of disorder or group of symptoms are there. It was reported in 1981 and 25 million persons all over the world are killed by this disease, means have been killed due to this problem. Now we are here coming to the cause of the disease. You can put the heading here, cause of the disease is retrovirus whose genome is RNA. Here they have drawn the virus whose genome is RNA. It is a retrovirus. Group of viruses are there in the group of retroviruses. Now the how do this transmission takes place? The transmission takes place through the sexual contact with the infected person, number 1, and transfusion of the contaminated blood, number 2, and by the sharing of the needles intravenously by the drug addicts, especially by of the infected needles that if at all they are there, and from the mother to the infected mother to the child through the placenta. Now who are there in the more risk? Same, those are having multiple partnership, those are drug addicts and use the needles intravenously, and those are having repeated blood transfusion, and the child who is born from the infected mother, they are there in the more risk. Now is this disease spread by touch? No, this disease not spread by touch, rather it is spread by the through the body fluids only. So the person should not be isolated from the family or the society, rather he or she should be taken care of. The symptoms are may arise after 1 month, after few months, or after 5 to 10 years. Okay, these are the some common points. Now we are here coming to the life cycle, which is written here, but I am explaining it with the help of the diagram. Okay, now come to here to this diagram. This blue color, green color is the macrophage, a cell which is a macrophage. Now here you come that this is a retrovirus whose genome is RNA. Viral RNA genome is there. Okay, this virus will infect the normal cell. Now this virus is infecting the normal cell, and only this RNA is now directing the formation of DNA by the reverse transcription process with the help of reverse ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज एंजाइम. तो अब ये इसका जो आरएनए अंदर आया है उससे इसका ये डीएनए बन चुका है. ओके, नाउ दिस डीएनए विल इनकॉर्पोरेट विद द डीएनए और द जीनोम ऑफ द होस्ट सेल. ये पूरी सेल है, ये इसका न्यूक्लियस है, ये इसका जीनोम है यानी डीएनए है. तो वायरल जीनोम, वायरल डीएनए विल इनकॉर्पोरेट विद द डीएनए ऑफ द होस्ट सेल, and this incoming DNA of the virus will direct the host cell to form more RNA viruses. यहाँ पर इसका बहुत सारा RNA बन जाएगा. Now this RNA, as you know, RNA may come out of the cell, so out of the nucleus. So this RNA will now come in the cytoplasm, will use the machinery or raw material of this cell and will form its own protein coat. ये अपने अपने RNA के ऊपर it has formed the protein coat. So many viral particles are formed in the macrophages. Now they will release from, it will release, these viruses will get released from this macrophage, and now the fresh viruses or new viruses which can infect the new macrophage. So that way the cycle goes on. But this is macrophage, means the cell of the immune system. So that once this cell is infected by the virus, so it will result into the deficiency of the immunity, so that the body may become susceptible to various infection, like it may become susceptible to the bacterial infection like mycobacterium, viral infection, fungal infection, and parasitic infection, mainly toxoplasma. Okay, If it has happened that viral infection has been taken place, AIDS virus, HIV virus has infected the macrophages, then it can be tested by enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. There is a ELISA test by which the presence of the virus can be tested in the body. Now the treatment, there is a very partial treatment of the AIDS is available only, and this by this treatment the patient can be treated to some extent. Now the prevention is the best therapy, that one should avoid all those causes which cause the AIDS, that is multiple partnership or the blood transfusion should be taken care of. Similarly, the infected mother to the child if it is there, so that way the making the safer blood bank is the most important prevention is there. Now second is the syringes should be the disposable, because they spread the virus from the infected person to the healthy person. So in private and government hospital the disposable syringes or needles should be used, and the safe sex is advised, okay, so that the population will not become susceptible to this disease. Now here it is coming that if infection is there, then this is to not to be hidden, rather we should take the advice of the medical fraternity, and with the cooperation of medical fraternity and with the cooperation of society, when they will act together, the spread of the disease can be prevented. Thank you.